Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can use Monday.com for basically simple time tracking. So once you have created your board and a ticket, over here you will be able to see that you have unassigned tasks, you have open tasks, you have waiting for a response, and you have the solved ones. So let's say you're on the unassigned ones. So you're gonna click on the ticket once you're done with it, and then you're gonna click on move to, and then you're gonna click on move to board, and then you're gonna change the board basically. So let's say solve ticket, you're gonna move the unsigned to the solve one once you're done with it. Now let's go on the open ticket. Let's say you're done with the open ticket, you're gonna move to group, and then you're gonna move it to the solve ticket. That's how you can basically use Monday.com for time tracking and other stuff. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.